Alright, what is going on, guys? Spiteful is back again, coming at you with a little... I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of like annoyed because let's just get into it. Alright, so first off, this 41 million downloads pack, I wouldn't really recommend anybody to actually buy this unless you're like missing literally all of the featured, if not most of the featured characters. You only have a 40% chance of actually getting one of the featured units. I will say this though, out of the available characters, fortunately they were nice enough to cut you off from getting absolute garbage. Like, you still have some of the garbage characters over here with like Uryu and Chad, but they did cut out some of like the OG characters. So there's no Grimjow, which actually wouldn't even mind. Like, unfortunately, what's funny is a lot of the characters that they cut out already have their resurrection, so that could have been like a potential of getting like 200 orbs back instead of the normal 75 plus 50, the normal like 125. But I'm sure like everyone's gonna get their own resurrection sometime soon. It just sucks because there's a lot of these characters that are not good. Like Tag Team Momo, Tag Team Byakuya is way outdated. Tag Team Shunsui is really bad. You know, like there's just a lot of really bad characters here, and the chances of you getting something good is there. But at the same time, if you're a player that plays this game often, chances are that you're gonna get a dupe. Like I'll be real with y'all, chances are you're gonna get a dupe, and most times dupes are kind of useless, unlike in a lot of other games. Going into the 41 million download celebration, it's probably one of the most underwhelming things I've ever seen in my life. Sure, the 41 million download selection, 5% chance to get a 5-star character. All 6 characters are pretty good in my opinion. I do think that Shunsui is probably the least, Shunsui is probably the most underwhelming there. But on the most part, it's not, like, I don't think it's bad by any means. So where is this 41 million download celebration? Because this, where is this thing? Ah, here it is. Here it is. Okay, 41 million download celebration. Yo, guys, look. We're getting a massive 50 orbs. Wow. Wow. Like, why do we have to log in each day to get 5 orbs? So you couldn't just give us the 50 orbs straight up so that we could, like, use it on this this banner? Like, how long does this banner stay here for? Like, this banner's here for 4 days, so you're gonna get a total of 20 orbs before this goes away. Like, wow, thanks KLab, y'all are amazing. So you're telling me that the orbs that you're giving out for 4 million download celebration, I can't even use it on the actual banner? Okay, that's nice. Now, going into this power-up set, log in at any time during the event period to claim your power-up set containing coins, crystals, jewels, droplets, and power hearts. Now guys, this 5 2-star power hearts and 3 3-star power hearts isn't even enough to max out a 4-star accessory. Like, that's not remotely good. 10 droplets, like 10 droplets, really? It's 80 of each just to get a character to... It's 80 of each and 160 of the actual attribute to get a character from 150 to 200, and nobody wants a level 184 like character to join their run. Like, that's just simple math, bro. Like, 200 of each small crystals, medium jewels, large jewels, that's kind of cute, but that's not even enough to max out a character. Like, what are you expecting us to max out? Like, you expecting us to max out that 1 4-star that you plan to let us summon with the 20 orbs that you gave us? Like, are you serious? Oh wait, yeah, okay, yeah. Like, that's kind of stupid. The revival candle rare loot quest was cute because they gave us 5 orbs. You get a revival candle each day, but honestly, unless you're like spamming inheritance zone, you probably won't really need that many revival candles, honestly. Like, to be honest, I'm really lazy, so I'm still doing single player inheritance zone. I'm just doing ×5 runs to save myself the hassle of hitting retry and begin quest over and over and over again. But besides that, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, this 41 million download celebration is pretty garbage. Don't get me wrong, I'm grateful for the 50 orbs, but like I'm gonna get it over time just for like naturally logging in, I guess. So yeah, I mean, I guess it is a nice gift for my 3rd year into BBS, so I don't know. I can't believe I'm making this video for my 3-year special. Jesus. Like, alright. I mean, thanks, KLab. Thanks for my 4.1 million coins, because I definitely needed that. Thank you for, hold on. I don't even know. Thank you for my 5 2-star power hearts. My 2 to 3 3-star power hearts. I definitely needed that. Thank you for the 100 Thank you for the 200 small crystals and jewels. Definitely needed that. Oh my god, because God forbid, you know, thanks for the 10 droplets, you know, and thanks for the 0 link slot potions, because we all know that we definitely don't need that. Damn, y'all couldn't even give us like some Hogyoku wills for like the newer players to actually be able to level up their characters? Come on, man. Yo, K-Lab, come on, bro. Like, what are you doing, man? Whatever. I mean, right now I'm just waiting for the $300 million celebration on Dokkan for them to give me like hundreds and hundreds of tickets for all the orbs. I mean, all the stones that I've used over the time there. So, you know, yeah, that's life. But I'm gonna leave it at that. You'll know these guys grind on, catch me up, pick me up, stay blessed. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Kind of a little rant. Overall, though, I will say this: K-Lab, you do a very good job, and you do, in my opinion, you do right by your player base. But like, don't to be honest, don't even call it a celebration. Just be like a thank you pack. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just say, it's like, oh, this is just a quick little thank you for playing the game. Thank you. You know, like, just say thanks. Don't call it a celebration, because this ain't a celebration, bro. Like, this is yo, dude. Imagine I tell my friends, I'm like, yo, dude, we having a party. We chilling. We having a party, you guys. Like, yo, there's gonna be drinks. There's gonna be bitches. You know what I'm saying? There's gonna be drinks. There's gonna be bitches. There's gonna be it's gonna be popping, dude. We got music, and then and then everybody comes. We have like 30 men in my house, and then the bitches is just like my one female dog, and like the annoying little like 5-year-old constantly asking everybody if they have phone games. And then on top of that, the music is just like my Echo Dot playing music in the background, and then the drinks is literally just tap water. Like, thanks. Yeah, party my asshole.